Hi there. Today I will watch a video called Most Popular Phones Low Battery Sounds. Enjoy watching.
Hi Wojak, are you busy now?
Hi. Yeah.
Understood. When you re free, please call. I just don't know how to turn on the vacuum cleaner.
Let's continue. Very interesting done.
Brother George, this is Mummy Pig.
Wojak, again didn't he close his Peppa Pig?
Mom, don't turn on the TV, please. I'm recording a video now.
It starts. Okay.
Thanks. Mom.
Sorry, I thought and forgot.
I liked this video. I will be glad if you like, subscribe to the channel and write some good comment. See you soon. Have a great day.